Rising sea levels in Alexandria, Egypt. Due to climate change and melting of the polar ice caps, sea levels are starting to rise at an alarming rate. Cities that were already considered to be below sea level are the ones who are in danger of disappearing the most. We will be returning to my home again for this capstone, but this time we will be looking at the city of Alexandria, Egypt, instead of Minya. Alexandria was always known to be one of the cities that is below sea level from centuries ago. Evidence can be seen with your own eyes as you scuba dive into the Mediterranean Sea and view the ancient lost city that was swallowed by the sea. However, Egypt's Ministry of Water Resources and Irrigation reports that relative sea levels have been rising dramatically, going from 1.8 millimeters annually to 3.2 millimeters. Today, the rise of sea level in Alexandria is very obvious. Erosion can be seen occurring on the shores of Alexandria, and flooding has taken over the streets close to the coast, destroying infrastructure. Moreover, due to Alexandria's rather unique location sandwiched between the Nile Delta and the Mediterranean, it is sinking at a similar rate as the sea levels are rising, which can prove to be unfavorable to the 5 million people residing there. Residents in Alexandria have to deal with the side effects of sea level rise on a yearly basis, as the situation gets worse and worse. The constant flooding leads to many people evacuating and losing their homes, each year getting harder to move. Many of Alexandria's famous antiquities, like the Library of Alexandria and the Citadel of Qaid Bey, are also threatened by the rising sea levels as they are located on the coast. So far, the Egyptian government have been dealing with the situation by placing massive concrete barriers by the coast to keep the waves at bay. However, each year the waves continue to get stronger and stronger, and if the rising sea level does not slow down, the city of Alexandria will be swallowed by the Mediterranean like its predecessor.